Welcome to our lesson on strings and concatenation in Dart, fundamental concepts for manipulating and working with text data. Strings represent text data and are essential for working with user input, messages, and various data manipulations. Understanding strings and concatenation is crucial for text processing in Dart. In Dart, a string is a sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. Let's explore how strings are used and manipulated in Dart. String concatenation is the process of combining strings. In Dart, plus is used to concatenate strings. Here are examples demonstrating how to concatenate strings to form larger ones. String interpolation allows embedding expressions within strings. In Dart, it's achieved using $ followed by the expression. Let's see how string interpolation works in Dart. Dart provides various methods and operations to manipulate strings, such as to uppercase, to lowercase, trim, substring, index of, and more. These operations are handy for string manipulation tasks. Following best practices ensures efficient and clean code. 1. Use string interpolation for dynamic text within strings. 2. Utilize string methods for efficient string manipulation. 3. Maintain consistent formatting and escaping when dealing with special characters. As we conclude, strings and concatenation are vital for text processing in Dart. Mastering these concepts equips you to handle and manipulate text data effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!